How to create an automatic discount in Shopify? Setting up automatic discounts in your Shopify store is a great way to boost sales and reduce abandoned carts. First, navigate to Discounts and click Create Discount. Choose Amount off Products and then select Automatic Discount. Give your discount a title and set the type as percentage or fixed amount. Here, I select percentage and offer a discount of 30%. Next, you need to set the products to apply this discount. In this example, I will apply the discount to specific products. You can delete any product from the list by clicking on the remove icon. After that, you can add any conditions like minimum purchase requirements and combinations with other discounts if you want. Next, you have to set the duration of the offer by adding the start date and end date. Before saving, you should review all information carefully and make further changes if needed. Finally, save your automatic discount and check if it works well. But remember that you can only offer one automatic discount at a time.